Maybe bang my head again.
Here's Alex trying cereal for the first time.
I think you're doing better than even my other kids did.
He thinks it's really funny when Mommy bangs her head on the light, too.
Yeah, whatever I can do to get you to laugh. Whatever I can do. Open up.
Ooh, not so sure about that one.
Oops. Good stuff. Brother and sister are going to want to do this, you know.
Yeah. He'll probably get more in his mouth this way. Let me do it. Let me do it. Me do it.
Here, do you want to play with the spoon?
Emma would say, me do it.
Here, feed yourself. Oh, no, that's your hand. Nope.
The spoon is going in the eye.
How do you get that in your mouth? Your hand keeps getting in the way. Does your hand keep getting in the way? Want some more?
No, I want the spoon. Remember with Emma, we had to give her her own spoon? So that she wouldn't keep trying to take the one you had.
You're like, no. Oh, you eat this stuff, you get some good stuff like some squash, some banana.
Knock, knock.
Yeah, pudding. But you gotta start out with this. It's gotta be better than the formula. I mixed it with formula. Yum, 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 yum.
Ooh. Say no. Oh, oh. No, didn't.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. It's Daddy got there. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Not quite to the point where he's looking for it.
Hi. Hi. Hi.